International Realty on 30A. Ed and I hosted an open house today for our new listing that just hit the market today. We had over 40 people come, and we are now raffling off some door prizes. But before we get started, I'd like to introduce Katie O'Brien with Element Funding.
Yes.
Hi Katie, what did you think about the open house today?
I thought it was amazing. I've done a lot of open houses with many different realtors, and this was probably by far the biggest one I've ever been to. I agree with you, it was about 40 people that came through, and it was amazing. One of the best successful open houses that I've ever had the honor of being a part of.
Well, we really like to thank Element Funding. Element Funding donated the food today, and you do have some really cool programs out there too that you might want to just quickly touch on if you have a second.
We do. We have all the standard loans, but right now we're kind of showcasing a 100% conventional loan. So that's got, it's a great new program for some people who, have the eligible credit score and everything, but they're having a problem with the down payment. So it's a very nice program to help buyers with that situation. And then we do all the standard loans, your conventional and FHA and VA. They all have loan limits, but then we also have several jumbo loan programs as well.
Yeah, so if you need any financing, I would like you to check out Element Funding. They're fantastic. Great customer service too. Okay, so the first certificate we're going to raffle off are 2 complimentary hours of design consultant by Michelle Brookins, who works for Sugar Interior Design in Destin. And she helped the current owner decorate this place and did a fantastic job. It just looks really amazing. So let's see who, this is going to be a $250 value, so let's see who won this prize. Do you want to take a...
I'm going to close my eyes here.
Oh, you go read it.
Alrighty. We've got Brenda Radke, and she's going to be the winner of this awesome gift certificate for the complimentary design.
Perfect. I'm going to stick this right in here so I remember exactly who it is.
Right.
Okay, the next certificate is going to be from Carol Window Film Design. That is a new company in Destin. They do a fantastic job. They actually tint cars, but they also do residential and commercial window tinting, which is really good if you're looking for something to protect your artwork or your furniture in your home, especially with the Florida sunshine. So they donated a $250 credit towards a residential window tinting. So let's see who won that.
Okay.
What did you think about that, Katie?
I think that's an amazing short prize. Okay. Let's see. We've got Julie Bogenreef. Congratulations.
All right, perfect. So I will put her in there and contact her later. And our final grand prize is going to be 2 rounds of golf for Santa Rosa Beach Club. It also includes the golf cart. So Santa Rosa Beach Club is a great club to join. The golf course is really fantastic. And of course, I'm sure you all know the View. That's one of my favorite places to go for their happy hour. So let's see who's the lucky winner of this.
All right. Carrie Campbell.
All right, there we go. So I'd like to thank everyone for coming today. This was definitely a fantastic open house. I also like to say a special thank to Carol Piangelino, who did a beautiful painting, a wave painting for, and we actually have an auction, and the auction winner, I can't remember who won. We'll look at it later. We send it to her. But she does a great work with her artwork. So we are also having a link on Silver International Facebook 30A for you to do some donating for Hurricane Michael. Lots of us forget about that. They still need our help. So we also was thinking about doing something for them. So thanks everyone, and if you like to take a look at this beautiful, gorgeous home, let us know, and we'd love to arrange a private showing for you. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. And thank you, Katie, for all your help. And also Ed, who's taking the video. I don't know, Ed, you're back there.
Thanks, Ed.
You're welcome.
Here, hold on.
I got the hard job.
Oh,
no. You want me on camera?
Actually there.
Oh,
there we
yeah.
go.
I bought all the wine.
Okay. Well, there we go.
Beautiful house. Come take a look.